Which among the following organism lack a cell wall? The correct answer is option D, Mycoplasma. Mycoplasma are a group of bacteria that are distinct because they lack a cell wall. Instead of a rigid structure provided by a cell wall, Mycoplasma species have a flexible membrane called the lipoprotein membrane, which gives them a unique ability to change shape. So, this lack of a cell wall makes them resistant to antibiotics like penicillin, which target the cell wall synthesis in bacteria. Whereas coming to option A, nostoc, it is a cyanobacterium, that is blue-green algae, and cyanobacteria have a cell wall made up of peptidoglycan similar to other bacteria. Option B, aspergillus, it is a fungus and fungal cells have a cell wall made up of chitin which provides structural support. Coming to option C, Funaria. Funaria is a moss and plant cells including those of mosses like Funaria have cell wall made up of cellulose. So option C is also incorrect. The correct answer is option D, Mycoplasma.